Hello everybody, welcome to my art channel. In this video I'd like to take the opportunity to tell you about the art that I'm into and as an art teacher how I can help you. I'm so lucky to have my lovely little art studio which is located just outside of Tunbridge Wells in Kent. During the pandemic we decided to build this cabin style studio in the garden and it's completely changed my life. I can teach workshops in here and in the summers I can open it up for visitors. So what I'm into is a kind of joyful, colourful art style which I love to share with other people. I've been teaching art for over 9 years now and I've been inspiring adults to rediscover their inner artist, help them reconnect with their creativity and develop their painting skills. I'm totally passionate about all types of paint, but in the main, acrylic painting is my primary medium. And I'm shortly launching an online acrylic course, but my YouTube channel will have plenty of free tips and tricks for you to be inspired by. I love painting flowers and birds in acrylics, something I'm a little bit obsessed with, layering details and showing you how I go from the beginning right until the final stages to lacquering and varnishing a finished piece. So I've always had this obsession with gold, mainly gold paint, and then in 2020 during the pandemic I really sat down and focused on figuring out how to try and use Goldleaf and became completely and utterly hooked on it and have developed my techniques and my expertise. And when I started my YouTube channel I really found it was so interesting because really my only videos that had any traction and popularity were to do with Goldleaf. It's a really popular subject and I'm really love to share my journey with it and how I can help people go from zero to hero with it basically. I also like to demonstrate how I paint on top of a Goldleaf surface, in particular with this sort of chinoiserie style with delicate blossom. I love the Asian aesthetic. It's so delicate and beautiful. I've got this idea that I would love to travel and paint. And a few months ago I went back to the British Virgin Islands, which is where I grew up, and just had the most amazing 2 weeks painting en plein air, with gouache, which is a medium that I'm really falling in love with. And I painted all these miniature paintings, 3 by 4 inches, and they all sold through galleries there, so I've sent some more. So as well as tropical paradise, you know, I live in a really beautiful part of England. Lavender fields, beautiful forests, everything I've got on my doorstep. So I am hoping that in the future on my YouTube channel I can share my travels and the artworks that I create when I'm there. If any of this seems inspiring and fun and interesting to you, I would love it if you would subscribe. I aim to provide good value, teach you something, make it fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.